Joaquin?
Stop! No! It's snowing! Our house can have snow now!
It's just hail, buddy. Crazy. Lots of hail. Okay, we need to close the door now so the rain doesn't get in our house.
We had better close the door!